recording this the night before. I'm going to the Yoikusama exhibit. Yes, our show was based off of that last year. Am I going extremely late? Yes. Will I enjoy it? Yes. I'll come back on here when it's morning time. It's a Yoikusama day.